Good day viewers, my name is Noel Isaacs from the Baviaanskloof. This morning I'm standing on one of the hiking trails which is managed under Eastern Cape Parks Tourism Agency. This bird trail is approximately 500 meters and I'm going to see what this trail has in store for us today. Remember guys that we are in the Baviaanskloof that have a high number of biodiversity, and when it comes to birds in the Baviaanskloof, it represents something about 310 different bird species, and this Condomo hiking trail represents approximately 140 different types of bird species, and on this trail we will come encounter of some of those species. Now remember viewers, it is not only bird species that can be found at this hiking trail. We do have some wild animals such as your kudus, your klipspringers, your duikers, your karkals, and even your leopard. Yes, your leopards can be also found in this area. The leopards which is widespread throughout this whole entire Baviaanskloof valley. Now there is one thing that I forgot. It is my binoculars. That was your brown-headed kingfisher. Wow. Now, something very interesting that I learned about birds is that they are really active very early mornings and then late afternoons. And then yeah, there is just some of these days when you come into the area and then the birds is just quiet, very quiet, and you will wonder, why are the birds so quiet? And there is sometimes when the birds is very, very active. This nice and easy hiking trail with no steep climbs also lies next to the Grood rivier, and if you're spending time next to the river, you can also see some water bird species. Species such as your fish eagles, moorhens, African black ducks, and many more water species that can be spotted on this hiking trail. We have come to the end of this amazing hiking trail. It was a pleasure for me sharing this beauty of this area with you. And remember that we all have a responsibility to protect the Baviaanskloof and minimize our impact for the next generations. Until we meet each other again here inside the Baviaanskloof, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.